Yeah. So you can feel right up there, right? Right there's that guy right there, upper cervical, and that's all the stress, headaches, all the craziness that we deal with, and now gone. Yes.
Yep.
Let's get you on your stomach.
Sorry.
Right here, right? There we go. And that way. No way. Not your angels, there's no way.
He's pretty great.
He's what?
He's pretty great.
Yeah.